Motorcycle enthusiasts know that safety and performance go hand in hand when it comes to biking. But what if we told you 2025 brings a fresh wave of gadgets designed not just to enhance your ride, but to potentially save your life? Whether you're a seasoned rider or just starting, check out these 5 must-have motorcycle gadgets that are guaranteed to elevate your experience. Enjoy! The Granit Detecto SmartX 8078 is a high-tech Bluetooth brake disc lock designed for motorcycle security. It combines advanced mechanical protection with smart technology, offering features like a 13.5mm hardened steel bolt for resistance to physical attacks and a 100 dB alarm triggered by its 3D position detection system. This system detects any movements in all directions, providing a strong deterrent against tampering. The SmartX 8078 is controlled via the SmartX app, which turns your smartphone into a digital key, enabling easy lock, jaw unlock functions through Bluetooth. Additionally, the app offers a feature to store the last parking location, adding convenience for users. The lock also includes a rechargeable battery charged via a USB-C port, ensuring compatibility with modern devices. However, there are some drawbacks, such as reliance on the security keycard for setup and updates, which could be problematic if lost. Some users have reported connectivity issues with firmware updates that may temporarily turn off the lock. For most casual riders though, the ConStands stand offers solid value, especially when needing to reposition the bike or maintain it in tight spaces. The ConStands Paddock stand is designed to assist with motorcycle maintenance by lifting the rear wheel off the ground. It is popular among motorcycle owners for its ease of use and robust design, often featuring 6 casters that make handling the bike in tight spaces effortless. This stand is especially useful for storing bikes in cramped garages or for performing maintenance like tyre changes, as it allows smooth and stable support, even on uneven surfaces. For installation, some users have reported that Paddock stand bobbins are necessary, and brands like Evertech are frequently recommended for this purpose. The stand's design offers good leverage for lifting the bike, and it's stable enough to handle weight distribution. However, some users have noted that for larger or more specialized bikes, like those with single-sided swing arms, alternative options such as pitbull stands might be more appropriate due to their superior stability. The Sena 10C Evo is a versatile Bluetooth communication system and 4K camera combo explicitly designed for motorcyclists. It records high-definition 4K video at 30 FPS and can also capture photos, time-lapses, and voiceover audio. The camera is easily controlled via physical buttons on the device, which can be turned off when not in use to conserve battery, allowing the 10C Evo to last all day on a single charge. This device excels in Bluetooth functionality, offering clear communication for intercom calls, music streaming, and voice control. One standout feature is its voice feedback system, which provides audible cues when the camera starts, stops, or changes settings, making it easy to operate without needing to check the camera during rides. However, the included helmet speakers have been criticized for poor sound quality, especially at higher speeds. Sena offers an accessory for earbuds that significantly enhances both sound quality and hearing protection. The 10C Evo also provides straightforward helmet installation with a variety of mounts, ensuring a secure setup for your camera. CHIGEE AIO 5 Lite, a must-have gadget for motorcyclists, combining navigation, communication, and safety into one device. Its 5-inch fully laminated touchscreen, boasting a peak brightness of 1200 candelas per square meter, ensures exceptional visibility under all lighting conditions. The system supports wireless screen mirroring via Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, granting riders effortless access to essential smartphone applications. Equipped with dual 1080p front and rear cameras operating at 30 frames per second, it provides comprehensive recording capabilities, enhanced by HDR and electronic image stabilization for superior video quality. The AI-powered blind spot detection system actively monitors surrounding traffic, alerting riders to potential hazards, thereby elevating safety. Additionally, Sentry Mode records disturbances when parked, ensuring tamper protection. Designed with durability in mind, it is IP67 waterproof and functions reliably in temperatures ranging from -20 degrees Celsius to 65 degrees Celsius. While the device's comprehensive feature set enhances the riding experience, the complexity of installation may necessitate professional assistance, and the multitude of functionalities could pose a distraction if not managed responsibly. Designed specifically for warm weather, it incorporates a mesh fabric for maximum airflow, while still featuring reinforced areas with leather on the shoulders and elbows for durability. The Helite free air vented jacket offers motorcyclists the dual benefits of a well-ventilated design and advanced airbag protection. A key feature of this jacket is its tethered airbag system, which inflates in under 100 milliseconds upon detection of an accident, protecting vital areas such as the neck, chest, back, and pelvis. For versatility, it also includes a removable waterproof and thermal liner, allowing comfort across different weather conditions. Pros include its fast airbag inflation and high visibility reflective strips, which enhance nighttime safety. However, some users may find the jacket on the heavier side, especially with the airbag system, and it is recommended to size up for an ideal fit. Overall, the Helite free air vented jacket stands out for riders looking for a combination of comfort and advanced safety measures, particularly on hot days. Thanks for watching. These 5 must-have gadgets are more than just accessories. They're your ticket to a safer, more enjoyable ride. Let us share your experience if you use any of them. Remember to subscribe to us as well.